Here we go. You should have your G1 paper in front of you. And first things first, write your name. I'm getting a lot of papers back that do not have your names on them. Please, grade 2, it's very... In class, it was important for you to write your name. But now it's much more important, okay? Because sometimes it just happens, I keep your things together, but sometimes it happens, this paper slips, or I'm doing filing and I can't remember which packet this one came from, or something like that. And then when your name isn't on it, it makes it a nightmare for me to try and trace where or whose it is. So please always write your name on it. If you are one of the kids or parents or kids that scan and send the work to me, write your name at the front always somewhere, maybe on top of where the... Okay, just a little note. It's very important for me to be able to see your name on every worksheet, except obviously if it is pasted in the workbook, because if I don't know whose it is, then I mean then I guess I shouldn't. Yo. Okay, practice with plurals. They say, read each item carefully, then list the correct plural form of each noun on the line. So I'm going to go through the basic rules with you guys again while we are doing this, and then I'm leaving the rest to you. So number 1, school. Do you remember that they said a common noun, most common nouns like school, which is a common noun because it's a place, only get a s. So you can go ahead and write the word schools. One school, many schools. Number 2, child. Do we say childs? No. Go ahead and write the answer. I will write the answer as well. I just want you guys to check if you are right. Child becomes children. I think that was last week's spelling word as well. Children. We don't say childs, we say children. Number 3, knife. What is the rule if there's a if the word ends in a f or a f-e? The f falls away and it becomes a v-e-s. Knives. Knives. Number 4 is the last one I'm going to help you with. Crutch. Remember words that end in sh, ch, s. What else was there? Sh, ch, s. There was something else. Can't remember. But okay, words that end in these sounds get a. Do they just get a e or do they get an s? Oh, do they just get a s or do they get an s? They get an s. We don't want to say crutches. We want to say crutches. Good. Number 5, book. This is the common noun rule. Book. If it's a common noun, it mostly just gets a what? Write the plural for book. Number 6 is the same rule. If it's a common noun, it mostly just gets a what at the end. Write the plural for number 6. Number 7, wish. We just said if a word ends in a sh, a ch, a s. There are more. Why can I not remember what the others are? Shh, where's my paper? Shh. Oh, ch, sh, sporks. That's true. Then they get what at the end. Number 8 is one of our irregular nouns. irregular plurals, our tricky plurals. Deer. There's a little trick to this one. One deer, many. Do we say deers? Or does it stay the same? Number 9, women. If we only had man, what would the word change to? One man, many mans, or one man, many men? So women, do we say, oh, there are a bunch of womens? No, we don't say that. This is also one of our tricky plurals. What do we call a bunch of women? Women. Number 10, crayon. This has the common noun rule. If it is a common noun, person, place, or thing, then mostly, remember not all the time, but mostly, it just adds a what, or you just add a what at the end to make it a plural. Cool, we are moving on to the second part that says, read each sentence below carefully. Circle the word that correctly uses the plural form of the noun in parentheses. Parentheses means brackets, okay? Parentheses is brackets. So number 1, you need to choose which one follows the rule. The ladies or the ladies department is located on the second level. I'm not going to help you with these ones. You just choose the right one. Which one is right? The ladies department or the ladies department? Which spelling is right? I will write the singular form for you so that you can judge from that. Remember the rule with the y. If there's a consonant in front, what does the y become? Number 2, the singular form is mouse. Mouses love to eat leftover crumbs, or mice love to eat leftover crumbs. Circle the one that is correct. Number 3, the singular form is toy. Where are your toys, or where are your toys? Remember the rule with the y. If there's a vowel in front, does the y change, or does it just get a s? Number 4, this is the singular form jacket. Many jackets were left inside during recess, or many jacket with a apostrophes were left inside during recess. Do we add an apostrophe before this in plurals? Think about all of the examples we've done. Have we ever put an apostrophe before we put this? And then number 5, the singular form is church. Look at what it ends in. Look at what sound it ends in. And then think about the rule. There are several churches in our town, or there are several churches in our town. No, Miss, let's give it a fair shot. There are several there are several churches in our town, or there are several churches in our town. Which one? Circle. And then you are done with your grammar for the day. I hope the plurals are becoming easier and easier and easier for you to snap. I hope that you are remembering the rules. There aren't too many rules to remember. So the only ones that you actually really, I almost want to say, have a reason for struggling with, if you do, are the irregular ones, the tricky plurals. But even so, we studied them, we know them, we'll be fine. Okay, that's it. Let's move on to our maths.